Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare stuffed bell peppers or stuffed capsicum. So normally we use capsicum in all the Chinese dishes and also in fried rice or tikkas or kebabs. But today let us see how to have the whole bell pepper or the whole capsicum. So before going into the recipe, I just want to know from which place you all are watching us. So that would be very happy and encouraging to us. So please leave a comment below from which place or love from your place so that we can just share the love with you and also more interesting recipes with you all. Hope you're liking and loving our videos. So let us start how to prepare the stuffed bell peppers or stuffed capsicum. So here I have taken green capsicum. You can take red or yellow bell peppers also, it's of your choice. And then I have taken 3 boiled potatoes and 1 large onion chopped, 1 large tomato chopped, and then we need 2 eggs for this recipe. So now take a bowl and add all the 3 potatoes, boiled potatoes, and mash it properly and nicely without any lumps formed, and then add onions and tomatoes chopped, and then 1 tablespoon of salt, chili powder, little bit of coriander powder or dhania powder, and also cumin powder or jeera powder. So that's it. I'm not adding chilies over here. Instead, I have added chili powder. So mix it nicely till the salt and the potatoes and the chili powder get mixed well. And then take 2 eggs, beat them and mix nicely so that the eggs get mixed nicely with the potato mixture. So some here they like to add lemon juice also. If it's your choice, you can add lemon juice or else oil also, but I didn't add any of these, just egg directly. So see, my stuffing mixture is ready. Now I have taken a capsicum or a bell pepper over here, and then see, just from the stalk below I have cut it nicely just like a cap, and then inside grains I have cut nicely and then removed all the grains. So you have to remove the grains nicely, and then see the cap is fixed nicely on top of it. So repeat the process for the remaining capsicums also, and then put it aside. Now our mixture or the stuffing is ready. So take 1 capsicum and then add the mixture directly into the capsicum. I didn't grease it with oil, just check over here. But nicely with the help of spoon, you need to press gently and then fill the entire capsicum so that no air gaps will be in the middle of the capsicum. So repeat the process for the remaining 4 capsicums or bell peppers also, and then put it aside. So see, my capsicum is all ready, or the bell pepper. If you remove with the cap, this is it. So all the capsicums are stuffed and ready to steam. So here I have taken a bowl and then I have put a stand inside it, and then added first initially I have added 1 cup of water, but later I have added 3 cups of water, and then I have placed idli plate over this, and then I have put all the capsicums inside it, and I have steamed for 2 minutes straight, and then later I have put these capsicum caps a little bit aside and then steamed for 8 more minutes, that is 10 minutes at a stretch, and then that's it. Our capsicums are nicely cooked. So now here I have taken mozzarella cheese. For those it's not available, you can also add Amul cheese. You can take Amul cheese and cut it into fine pieces and then add on top of the stuffed capsicum or bell pepper. So repeat the process for the remaining 4 capsicums also, and then close the lid and then put it in the oven in a grill mode for 5 minutes, and then that's it. Our capsicum or stuffed capsicum is ready. For those who don't have oven, just take a pan and place all the capsicums inside it with the cheese inside it, and then just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, or else until the cheese oozes out of the capsicum. That's it. Your stuffed capsicum or stuffed bell pepper is all ready. It's so yummy and yet so healthy and tasty also. So you too try this and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. See you again with another new recipe. Bye bye.